price for iPhone 2020, even with the budget iPhone SE2, you can't count on the availability of new products from the Cupertino company. Only one stand for the iMac 2019, Apple estimated at $999. The product has become the hero of numerous memes. As for the price of the iPhone SE2, it will become known only in the second half of the year. In the meantime, we can focus on expert forecasts. The price of the iPhone SE2 is sure to rise. This will happen for several reasons. The first of these is the appearance of 5G guarantees. Then the redesign of the mobile device will come into play. In general, experts are talking about increasing the cost of the iPhone SE2 by $142. In this case, the margin does not include storage, logistics, and delivery of the product. As of December 2019, the iPhone 11 Pro Max with 64 GB of memory is on the market for almost $1,587. Given the ruble exchange rate for December and the margin of experts, the cost of the iPhone 2020 or iPhone 12 will be $1,730. Earlier, Apple promised $1 million to anyone who finds a weak spot in the security system of its devices.